And Sarah Marie is right. We are just getting warmed up. It's time to reveal the additional products that will come in the Pursue 2020 kit. Let's start by taking a look at doTERRA's new and improved On Guard toothpaste and meet Dr. Christopher Spellman.
Hey friends, do you remember when toothpaste and brushing your teeth was exciting? Neither do I, because that's literally never happened in the history of the world. But today, we're going to make toothpaste exciting. I'm Dr. Chris Spellman. I've been a dentist for over 19 years, which means I've lived a majority of my life about waist deep in toothpaste. And today, I get the impossible task of making toothpaste sound exciting. So I have the honor of introducing to you the new reformulated On Guard fluoride-free natural whitening toothpaste. As you can see, packaging is completely new, but what's on the outside, it's not nearly as good as what's on the inside. So with a name like On Guard, of course doTERRA is going to put in their proprietary blend of certified pure therapeutic grade oils like wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. doTERRA also adds myrrh, which is really soothing to the soft tissues of the mouth, especially to the gums. They also add peppermint and wintergreen. These two are going to give your breath a really fresh, clean feeling that's going to last for even hours after you brush your teeth. They also add xylitol, which is an all-natural sweetener. They add hydrated silica, which is a mild abrasive, and what that's going to do is help take away stains and plaque without damaging your enamel. But this last ingredient is the most important one that I want you to remember. It's something called hydroxyapatite. Weird name, but this is something that is in our teeth and bones naturally. This is literally the organic component of your teeth and bones, which makes them hard. Your enamel, as a lot of you know, is the hardest substance in your body, and it owes that to the very high hydroxyapatite content. Now, you need to understand a little about your teeth to understand why this is such an exciting ingredient. Your teeth are under constant assault from acids in the foods that we eat and the things that we drink, but also from the sugar that we eat. When we eat sugar, the bacteria in our mouth turn that sugar into acid. So you can see that acid is the big enemy. What the acid does is it sits on the enamel and it literally pulls the minerals out of your teeth and softens that surface enamel. That is how the decay process starts. It is called demineralization, or pulling minerals out of the teeth. The great news is we can reverse that process with something called remineralization. And all that means is we're putting minerals back where they need to be so we can rebuild and strengthen that surface enamel. Hydroxyapatite is the best material to do that. The studies are showing it's at least equivalent, if not superior, to fluoride in its remineralization capacity. Plus, it's completely biocompatible and safe. It's something that your body makes on a daily basis. It's going to leave your teeth stronger, smoother, healthier, and less sensitive to temperature changes like hot and cold. I've been using the On Guard toothpaste for the last 4 years, and I can tell you this reformulation is amazing. It's a lot mintier. You're going to love the taste, and it's something that I recommend to my patients, and I highly recommend it to you and to your entire family. So, I hope this was exciting for you as it was for me. Look forward to seeing you guys again soon.
Thank you, Dr. Spellman. I am so excited to see our On Guard line expand, and I love knowing exactly how these products work. I'm sure there are many of you who can relate when I say that I find myself multitasking more often than not. And I appreciate knowing that between supporting immune function and strengthening tooth health, the On Guard toothpaste does the same for my body. Now I'm happy to welcome back Becca Nixon as she tells you about 2 more of our exciting new products. And if I'm right, I'm confident that they will become a new staple in your self-care and evening routines. Becca?